Google threw one grenade after the other, and we're batting them away, and we're batting them down, and we're like Neo from the Matrix, but it just kept coming, and finally, I'm so proud of it, and I want to give it to you. And I really mean that. I want to give it to you for free. Send me a video. I've done so much for you. You owe me. You owe me this. I am so excited to make this announcement. Y'all don't even know. This is 18 months in the making. It's actually longer than that, but 18 months ago we put pen to page and we were going to write the definitive guide to Google Ads. Everything that you'd ever need to know inside of one book, cover to cover, back to back. And then things kept changing over and over and over again. Google threw one grenade after the other, and we're batting them away, and we're batting them down, and we're like Neo from the Matrix, but it just kept coming, and finally, wow, look at this thing. I can't believe it. Look at how thick this is, y'all. Like, real work went into this. Real hours. And we did not phone this in. Like, this is real content written by a real writer. Not me, by the way. I know my name's on it. And the only thing I did for this book is I came up with the title, which is a really good title, to my credit, right? You versus Google, like, come on. Other than that, this is Patience, who was director of marketing for a long, long time here at Solutions 8 until she went on to greener pastures, but we still love her. And then, of course, my business partner, John Moran, is the real brains behind the operation. And so between Patience, John, and then Qasim wanted more speaking gigs and might be a narcissist, and so I put my name on it too. But all that aside, I'm so proud of this. I'm so proud of it. And I want to give it to you. And I really mean that. I want to give it to you for free. Well, not free. There's a catch coming. Here's what I want. Here's what I need. Here's what I'm asking for. I want to put a mashup video together that helps us promote this book and other things that Solution Date does. And I want a video that has as many people possible talking about the value they've gotten from Solution Date content. And that can be our YouTube channel. That can be our social feeds. That can be our email that goes out every week. If you're not a subscriber, you should be, by the way. That could be our blog, our power pages, previous books, consultations, clients, of course, whatever. If we have given you value, I would love for you to shoot a video about it. It does not have to be a well-produced video. I don't care about production value. I mean, don't shoot it from within your toilet. But if it's just from your smartphone, that's perfectly fine. If you send me a testimonial video, I will send you a copy of the ebook for free. For free. That's a big give, y'all. Send me a testimonial video, and I'll send you a copy of the ebook for free. You get a free copy of the ebook. For the 5 best submissions, I'll send you a physical copy signed. I know nobody cares that it's signed. It's like, Qasim, who do you think you are? Like, we do not give a shit. But I'll sign it anyway because I want to sign it just for me because I want to pretend like I wrote this thing. I didn't. How's that sound? So send me a testimonial video. Make sure that when you send the testimonial video, you include your physical address. And I'll send it anywhere in the world because we have a ton of international followers. As long as you're not like in the Antarctic, okay? I don't want to spend like $500 on shipping. But if it's reasonable, if it's even semi-reasonably accessible, we'll send you a physical copy. And we'll sign the physical copies. So the top 5 videos get physical copies. Everybody gets a copy of the ebook, though. And the Kindle version of the ebook, by the way, is really good. It's like, it's rock solid. So send me these videos, please, 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 and thank you. And then just tell us like what impact our content has had on you, how much you like us, you tune in, John's so smart, everybody else is so charming. Qasim needs to shave. He can't grow a beard. It's pathetic. Whatever it is that you want to say, just make it real from the heart. Be true. Be honest. Be authentic. I know that's who you are. That's not true. I don't know who you are. Per se, I might know who you are. This is a big deal for us, y'all. I'm gonna go hard and fast at this book, and I really want the content and media that would be necessary in order to promote it in a way that really sets people's mind at ease. Because there's so many charlatans out there selling information. You never know who to listen to, and there's so much like PLR. Do you know what PLR is, by the way? It sets my blood on boiling fire. It's private label rights, PLR content. You can just go buy ebooks and downloads and white papers that you didn't write, and then you slap your name on them, and then you sell them as though you, like, what is that? Where are we now in life that's, you know what I mean? And if you do that, by the way, I'm not trying to shame you. It's so funny. I bought a collection of coaching content from a gentleman who I really admired. And then when I downloaded it, I was like, man, this is the most generic BS I've ever read. And I copied some of it and I pasted it into Google with quotes around it, and bam, PLR network comes up. He was just private labeling content. Lost all trust. This is not a glitch. I'm interrupting the video you're watching because I need to remind you that I'm always looking for people to join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you want to work with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, please go to solate.com/apply. Speaking of working with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, if you're having trouble with Google Ads and you want professional help, that's what we do. You can go to solate.com, that's SOL8.com, to apply for your free, no obligation action plan. And if I've given you any level of value at all, maybe think about giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. That's how we juice the YouTube algorithm so they actually know that I know what I'm talking about. If you have questions, comments, concerns, or confessions, hit me below in the comments. And now, back to your regularly scheduled program. That's the world we live in. We wrote this. We did the work. I mean, look at this. We did a ton of, and it's not perfect. You're going to come in there and be like, oh, that's a little outdated and whatever. It's a book. You know what I mean? I can't digitally update the book, but we will. We'll update the book. I don't know when. I'm not going to make promises, but we're going to try to, make sure that we have first and second and third editions. Of course, the first edition. That's what we have now. But y'all, there are pictures, screenshots, bullet points, titles, table of contents. Now I'm just describing books in general. Please send me a video. I've done so much for you. You owe me. You owe me this. I got real awkward real quick. Send the videos to, where should you send the videos? Send them to the email address in the description of this video. And I'm only saying that because I don't know where to send them yet. I should have figured that out before I shot this video. And remember, send me the video and send me your physical address, because the 5 best testimonial videos get a physical copy. Everybody who sends a video gets the digital copy. But incidentally, when I send you the digital copy, please don't go posting it to Twitter. This happened to me last time I wrote my book. I started giving people the digital copy for reviews, and at some point it got out there, and I'm like, I'm trying to sell this thing. Like, you can't just give the PDF version away, you jerk. The digital copy is just for you. It's just for you. That's all I got. Really appreciate y'all. Appreciate your time, your attention, your focus. I appreciate your support. I can't tell you how many times I've noticed now on social media people coming to bat for us. In the YouTube comments, for example, or on my Twitter feed, somebody will say something snarky, and then, man, our followers come down on them. Sometimes hard. So that always feels really good. I feel like I've got some protectors out there, which is, I don't know, it's a good feeling. Anyway, I'll stop. This is good. Bye. We have created a standard operating procedure for Performance Max. And when I say we, I mean John, really. John has created an SOP for Performance Max. I'm so excited about this. I think it's a massive, big, gaping hole in the industry. As of yet, there's really no scaffolding around the decisions that you're making. So we wanted to share this with the world.